So today I'm gonna see if quick steel, like that JB Weld stuff, this stuff right here, I want to see if it's bulletproof, because it's supposed to, it's been sitting for over a day, so it's supposed to be as hard as steel. So we'll see. We'll start out with 22. We got a 9, we got a 45, we got a 500 mag, got a 450 Bushmaster. So we'll just see how tough JB Weld actually is. I just have one little plate of that JB Weld up there for now. I didn't bring that many guns because I really figured a 22, I think it might stop at 22. I don't know. I got 2 of them little plates of JB Weld over there. But we'll try it first with Walther P22, and we'll see if one plate of quick steel JB Weld can stop a 22. All right. Okay, see what happens. Well, around here. So yeah, I kind of thought that might happen. It just cracked it. I was looking here. It kind of stopped it. I mean, I don't know. You probably would be okay, maybe. It helped anyhow. So we're gonna just step it up. I'm just gonna get right to the 45, just because I haven't shot this gun in forever. Okay, so that kind of stopped it, or slowed it down some anyway. It still dented the wood, so might have been okay. So we're just gonna jump up to the 45 now. This is like my first gun I ever bought, maybe. One of the first, it might be the first. It's a Ruger P97 45. Comes standard with a 50 round drum clipazine. So let's see if it'll stop it. Doesn't appear so. Maybe. Nope. There's a hole. That was a good shot. Oh, yep. Straight through. Pulled a knot out. I don't see. That's from the 22 there. I don't see anything left. Where's this at here? Yeah. I don't know if that's the hole I had drilled in it or... Yeah, it won't stop at 45. So don't cover yourself in JB Weld and go in a battle. I was going to cut this tree down for firewood because it's beyond dead. So I shot it my 45 there a bunch to see if it'd go through. It's still pretty hard, but it didn't come through. So you're going to see when I cut it down, when I run it through the log splitter, if I can catch my bullets. But I want to see what the Bushmaster would do against that. Okay, Bushmaster versus the bush. See if it came out the back. Let's see, I believe that's the entrance hole. And nope, it's still in there too. So, when I run this through the log splitter, I'll see if I can find the bullets in there. I have to remember where they are, so I'll whack them with my chainsaw. Don't cut there.